Hey everybody, we are on our way to my mom's house to finally deliver her buffet server. I'm not going to get a good look at it, but there it is on the back of the old pickup truck. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this up the road a couple hours to her house. We're going to install the doors there, and she's going to have a nice piece of furniture. See y'all later. Finally! So we finally made it into my mom's house with the buffet server. I was gonna have my mom here so I could interview her and kind of give her, let you guys get her opinion. However, she wasn't able to make it. She wasn't feeling too good today. So I have my dad, Paul, here, and he's gonna tell us kind of what he thinks of the buffet server and if he likes it or not. Tell me what you think about the buffet server.
It's nice. I like the height of it. I'm sure your mom will too. The satin finish is what she wanted, and we're going to have a dinner party actually Saturday night this coming week, and she's excited about that.
Does it look the same as you thought it was going to look?
Yeah, actually it has you know, the same. I didn't know exactly what color it was going to look like when you finished it, but it looks good. I think it brings out the copper look and some of the other furniture we have here in the house. So.
Why don't you show them the inside, the storage on the inside there.
Renee's got plenty of dishes to put in here too. So.
Nice drawer.
Yeah, and it's got the slow close doors.
Yeah, soft close.
All right. What you got? What you got on the other side there?
Plenty of room.
Yep, there's 2 shelves on either side.
Yeah.
I think my mom asked, she wanted some space to put some dishes and things here, but she's really short, so sometimes you can't see into the cabinets. But she wanted to be able to stand back and see all the way into the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
She'll have trouble reaching the top sometimes.
Right. Right, exactly.
Not nice.
So, but well, we really like it, and it's better than actually thought it would. I told your mom a long time ago that she should lighten up on you a little bit because you've never built anything like this, but it turned out great.
Oh,
Yeah.
thank you. It did, and it's huge. Look how big this thing is.
Yeah.
What are you shaking your head about? It looks great. I mean, we really
Yeah.
like it.
Yeah.
And I think
We're gonna get a lot of use out of it.
we're going to get a lot of use out of it.
That's
I've
right.
already posted it to, sent pictures to a couple different people.
You already posted it for sale?
No. I've just sent it to a couple different people. I want him to say that she's already sent pictures to friends and
You can.
family. They love it.
Yeah. So we really like it. Renee's excited. She's sent pictures of it to a few people already. So
Yeah.
she's
And
excited.
Roxy approves of it.
Yeah. She likes it.
What's that, Rox?
Just gonna add some hardware. That's it,
You
right?
like it?
Just gotta add some hardware.
Yeah,
and
my
that's all.
mom and my dad are gonna go out and pick some hardware out, I guess. I don't know what they're gonna choose yet.
She thinks brushed nickel maybe.
Brush nickel. They'll get some hardware put on here, and then also it needs some latches. We have some magnetic latches for it already that we need to install. Other than that, she's ready for serving at buffets. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Do me a favor, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button, but also ring the bell to the right of the subscribe button so that it notifies you anytime I post a new video. I know that sometimes, even though you click the bell, with YouTube's new algorithm, sometimes it unclicks it. So just make sure that you smash that subscribe button, smash that notification button, and also give me a thumbs up on this video. Guys, just like always, thanks for hanging out with us.